We are on a mission to give mothers the power to increase the household vegetable intake level by empowering Kenyan women to establish a thriving kitchen garden for their family. This national rollout, therefore, puts focus on the true anchors of our nation, our mothers. This is a bold and practical step towards our shared quest to build a food secure, nutritionally rich and economically vibrant Kenya.
Na ninasema hii kazi sisi wa mama kwa kawaida tunafanya, lakini tunataka kuchukua hatua zaidi. Tupeleke shule, tupeleke hata hospitalini, wale ambao vile vituo vyote ya serikali waweze kujitegemea katika hali ya food security.
Baringo County, 70% of our county is an ASAL county. Let me say Eldama Ravine sub-county is the only county that's an island county in our county. So we are faced with the challenge of food insecurity.